Okay.
Okay.
All right. Can you?
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, now it's testing. We're not testing. Can you hear us? Hey guys, can you hear us? Hi. Hi, we're now about testing. We're now in testing.
Hello.
Yeah, we are about to start. We're about to start soon.
Yeah, we will start soon.
Yeah. I think this thing is about to high. And adjust it.
Good evening. Hello.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, it's okay. So
Yeah.
you guys can hear us. We're about to start soon. On 10 o'clock. Yeah, as you can see, we just printed some objects. A 3D bench with the KLP1 3D printer. And here's one, and here is another one. Okay.
Okay. Hello.
So we are going to show you we're going to hold this camera around there and show you something after our start. All right. So we are now let the print start again. Remove the objects and let them start again.
Hello.
Yeah. If you guys
Hi,
have any
welcome.
questions, just leave comments down below.
Yeah.
We will answer your questions. And right now, let's print start again.
Hi, everybody.
Here you can see. Here we have here we first print here, and let's print again. Let's see the print.
Let's start the machine, the KLP and the...
KLP1.
Yeah.
You see, we have the camera here, and there we can see everything inside the printer, and we can control the printer with Wi-Fi and an IP address. Okay, now we choose a file to print.
Yes, we choose the printer and choose that KLP1.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody.
So here, it's about to print.
Oh yes,
And
there is a camera inside the machine.
yeah,
Yes.
we add a camera.
Yes.
We add a camera on it. You can do that too. Okay, here
Yes,
is another. Here is another print. Yeah, we had a two printer here, and we just click print, and you can see. Okay, this one we need to adjust the camera. We'll show you that later. Okay, we just do a few clicking and let the print. Okay, as you can see here we have the camera.
Yeah.
We have a camera here.
We also make the camera inside the machine.
So you can see.
Yes.
Can you see?
We'll make the iPhone and to connect it.
We are now adjusting the camera. Seems there's some question on this camera.
Hi, Kevin.
Yeah. Okay. I think we get to a wrong camera. Actually, we are looking at this camera, and here is a KLP1, and we can.
Yes.
Yeah. So. Yeah. So we are now adjusting this. We are not adjusting this camera. Actually, we just we get a long camera. Now we just open the enclosure, and now we adjust the print, adjust the camera a little bit, and let the camera facing the print right.
Yes.
Facing the back, and then you can see what is going on during the print. Yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, the print is about to start.
Fine beer.
Yeah. Yeah. This print is starting. It's starting right now. Yeah. Okay. It's start print, and the first one.
You
And
can see
another
that
one
the first one is start.
Another one is also start. It's moving. It's moving slowly. But you cannot see that. Yeah, it's here. Alright. If you guys have any questions, you can leave comments down below. And we are going to answer the questions.
Yes. Here is someone said, does it have a Raspberry Pi too?
It doesn't have a Raspberry Pi to run Klipper, or what is the Klipper running on? Actually, it has a Klipper firmware installed in the manual. It's pre-installed. And here is its manual. Here is the manual, and it already has everything inside this main board. Yeah, exactly as a main board on the KT3 Pro YouTube. They use the same main board, a powerful main board. And I will show you guys more about this.
Yeah, we just saw it. Yeah.
Yeah. Here is a. So here is a. Sorry, wait a minute. So here is a memory chip which has a Klipper firmware installed. Yeah, it's small eMMC chip. And
eMMC.
yeah, and once we install this firmware inside this eMMC chip, and we put it here, and yeah, we put it here. So the print is already have the Klipper installed. So you have no need to use any Raspberry Pi or Orange Pi. What all you need is this main board and a KLP1 3D printer. Yeah. Okay, we have. Sorry, might be late. Not sure you mentioned this already. I have two questions. Is it direct drive or is it a TV light? Okay. Yeah, it's direct drive, and it has a BL touch. Yeah, they are both. It's direct drive. Yeah, we will show you guys later clearly when we move the camera.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes, and for EU market, it is on sale, and you can order it now.
You can order it now. We show you this the page. Okay.
Yes. Hello, Brad, could you introduce our KLP1 for this machine?
Yeah, it's already started.
Yes. Hello, everyone. We will start soon. And,
Yeah. We got this to start.
Yes. And we're glad to see all of you. Now, my partner, Brad, will introduce for our KLP1.
KLP1.
Yeah.
This is my colleague with you. And we are nice to see you guys tonight. And here is a printer we are going to release today. The KLP1 printer. Yeah, let's show you guys with this one. Yeah. So my colleague really will load the camera and show you guys clearly, and we can see it in details.
Yes, and I will show you the details of the KLP1.
Yeah, the KLP1 printer. Yeah, they just hold the camera. Yeah.
Yes.
And I will show you around here. Here is a camera, and I added myself. If you guys have a camera, and you can add it to your printer, and you can put it anywhere you like. And as you can see, the printer, the KLP1 printer has a full enclosure, and a top enclosure, and a front enclosure, and alright, it's fully sealed. Yeah. So do you guys know what does that mean? Yeah.
Yes, and you can see
cool,
that.
right? Yeah. Now it's printing, and we might let the print stop and show you guys what's next. Okay. Now how about we stop this printer?
We stop.
We will stop this printer and show you guys clearly things about the computer.
Sure, it's okay.
Yeah, let's just stop this printer.
Okay.
Yeah, I think is this one. Let's check.
Yeah, and
Sure. We just move the camera. Yeah, can you see the camera?
yeah.
Yeah. So we just control the print with the browser. Yeah, let's assume something wrong is happening. We will just click this red button and we can stop it. Okay. Now we will just stop it as normally. Here, we click this, click and we click pause or cancel, we just click cancel. Yeah. It's about to cancel. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's move it. See? Okay. Yes.
Okay, now we stop this this machine and show you that.
Okay, don't do that. It's quite dangerous. Yeah. Okay. Let's see this clearly.
Hi everybody.
Over here.
Yeah. Sure.
So it's different from the KP3 Pro V2. It does has a heat that you can adjust with knobs, and you can adjust that. Normally you don't have to do that. You just use a DL touch to adjust the down leveling. Yes, it does have a DL touch.
Yes.
Maybe I'll code it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. As you can see, here we have a red, we have this yellow thing, this thing. Yeah, this is a high sensitive a high sensitive sensor, which allows you to do a totally and a full out-band leveling. And in this machine, you can do 36 points out-band leveling, which is very accurate. And as you can see here, this fan is also a 8,000 ring fan, which quite powerful for cooling. It has a powerful cooling system. Yeah, and
yes.
And this, and as you can see here, it's also use a cable with some, I think it also has a control board in this printer, in this print head.
Yes.
Yeah, as it transport and just exchange everything and control everything when high speed printing. Yeah, and okay, let me show you here. Let me turn you along. Here you can see. Sorry. Yeah. All right, we're back on here.
Yeah. Sorry about this.
So I will.
Hi.
Yeah, we just had some issues with the internet.
Hi.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me hold it.
Okay.
Here, and we just about to show you the another fan here. Yeah, you can see here is another fan, a3 minus a3 10, 3 plus 10 camera. No, 3 plus 10 fan. Yeah. Which is the same fan on a KP3S, the heatsink, but this one is much powerful than that. It just have same size. All right. So this extruder has two fans, one powerful fan and another smaller fan. This fan is for the printing objects. So it's cooling your printing objects like a 3D bench or something else. new printed, and this fan is cooling the heat break. Yeah, here is one, and also this extruder use a brand new use a brand new motor which has a 5-to-1 gear ratio, which means quite powerful. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and this print volume is 210, and the 210 and the 210 and the 210.
Yes, it is look like Korea X-ray 3D printer.
Yeah, 210, 210. Yeah, it's quite large print volume for this this size.
People say, what type of nozzle do we use that?
What does people say? What types of nozzle does it use? So let me show you. If we see here clearly, it's used a different nozzle as a KP3S do. It's used a steel I see steel nozzle.
Yeah.
Steel nozzle. Yeah, which is much higher, much durable and better for high speed printing.
Yes.
Yeah, why printing volume is so small? No, it's actually not small. Actually, you see print this size. Yeah, it's actually enough for printing most objects.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just want to make things solid. We want to make things high accuracy and great quality.
What is the motherboard?
The motherboard, we just mentioned that.
Yeah.
So here we show you that again. Here is a motherboard. It's actually used the same motherboard as KINGROON.
Yeah, it is similar that.
Yeah. Here is a motherboard. Yeah.
Here is the motherboard for KLP1.
Yeah. If you guys have heard about the skipper mainboard from the MKS, this mainboard has the same function and features as the skipper mainboard do. And the skipper mainboard is used for war-on models, and our mainboard is redesigned from the skipper mainboard. It's also from the MKS. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah. Quite much ports, USB ports and Ethernet cable port. Yeah.
Yes.
And the HDMI cable and SD card and the Type-C port. Yeah. It's not, and you have many things you wanted on this mainboard. It's quite powerful. Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Move ahead. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Here is as you can see, is a Core XY structure printer.
Yeah, coax-wide.
Yeah, which makes the printer is much accurate and stable and much durable. And also here is our old friend, the linear guides. Yeah, here one linear guides here, and here two linear guides on the both sides. So it has 3 linear guides. Yeah, and here is move and see here. So we have three rods on the Z-axis, which makes it more durable and accurate. Yeah, and then the screw rod and the 2 other rods, and we just make it quite solid and accurate. Yeah.
Sure.
And also we use a belt to drive this print head. Yeah. And some of you came here later, and here is a main board we want to mention in this tool here. Yeah, inside here, it can choose everything, every printing data like temperature, acceleration, and anything else. And if you see here clearly, it has a Raspberry Pi logo here. Yeah, it also has the ink shaper sensor here. No, it's a ADXL 345 acceleration sensor. So we can do the ink shaping just by one clicking.
Yes.
Yeah, and also here has a has a ABL sensor here, and
ABL.
It's different from the 3D touch or a BL touch. It's quite high sensitive and accurate.
Yes. It is CMBUS, isn't it? Yes.
What? Yeah. It's canvas, right?
Canvas.
Yeah, it's right. And you're right. Here, see this cable? This cable is actually similar like it is on the KP3 Pro V2. So we because of this main board, this small main board on the two hand, so we need so the cable is no longer transfer power only. So it requires to transfer power and data at the same time. That's why we use this new cable. Yeah, it's actually a powerful cable. All right, and we might show you guys later inside this tool head. Actually, it's a solid tool head. This is the metal shell, and what's inside is extruded is quite I think it's advanced. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you using canvas on it?
Yeah, we use canvas here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do we have
And the
any
max
questions?
temperature hold it. The max temperature hold it.
Max temperature?
Yeah. Maybe 260.
Yeah, 216.
Yeah.
And this heat gun can go to 100.
Yes.
Yeah.
On the motherboard below the gray.
Below the green. What that mean? On the motherboard. Below the green. This title, what is that? Sorry, we do not get your question. What does that mean?
Yeah. He was a fan in the enclosing.
Yeah, fan
Enclosure.
is the enclosure. Yeah, we just have this fan and this fan. We have 2 fans in this enclosure.
2 fans.
Yeah, 2 fans.
Okay.
Yeah. It's 2 fans here. And if you don't want, let me see. If you want to do something else, I think, as you guys see this thing has an enclosure, right?
Yeah.
I think some of you must try with ABS, right? So if you guys print it with ABS, this intro should be great for you guys. But one thing I must mention, if you want to print with ABS, we're not release the heat break yet, and it has a PTFE2 inside this heat break. So if you want to do something else, you must change that heat break first.
Yes.
Yeah.
And people can see that for this.
Yeah, just see this one. It's now printing with high speed. So we this time not let it print with so high speed. It's actually printing with 0.2 layer height.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Yes. Okay.
Let's see something else here.
Okay, and we also will make some prize for you. Some gift.
Yeah, we also have gifts for you guys. Do we have this? Do we have it now?
Maybe 3 minutes later we will make some gift.
Yeah, we made some gifts. Okay, let me show you something else, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here. And here. This side. So here is a USB port, and you can connect everything you want, like a USB camera.
USB port.
Camera.
Oh,
and,
okay.
And this one is a 2K camera I use. And here is the Ethernet cable where we connect with the router. So you can control this printer with with internet, with anything, with the internet connection, like your smartphone or your PC or something else with clickable screen, and it can access Wi-Fi. Yeah. Yeah, this one is connecting with internet. Okay.
This one is connected with internet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And also
yes, have Wi-Fi.
And you can also connect the printer with a screen, with a touchable screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is a prototype. You can and it will be different from the one you receive. The one you receive, we have a HDMI port. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see here, and let's go back.
Okay.
Right here. Take care. So, it also has a film sensor. So if the printing goes, if the film runs out, and the film goes here, and this blue lights turns off, and the printing will stop. Yeah, so it's a filming sensor.
Sure.
Filming sensor. It will pause printing and protect your prints. Yeah, if the film runs out, it will stop the printing. And of course, a film wrap here. So you can put your film here and let the film go through the film sensor. And the film sensor and this tube, this PTFE tube, just guide the film into the actuator. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And most of mental parts, except this set.
Let me see. Not all metal. This will be a pain in the areas to put the filament. Please replace it. Yeah. this one will be, yeah, we will receive your feedback from you guys, and we will improve if you see it is necessary. Actually, when I tested with it, it's quite good. All you need is just to do some adjustment and let the film go inside the extruder. Okay, another thing I want to mention is one thing just goes through my mind is here. KB3 S Pro V2 and the KLP1 here are using new extruder, which means you are no longer required to put the films manually. So all you need to do is to put the film here. You just hold this in and put film inside, and control the film from the Klipper dashboard. You just send a command like extruder, and the film will go inside the printhead automatically. And when you want to remove, when you want to change the film, you just click the retract command, and it will go out, and you can remove the filament without any questions, without any problems. So you don't need to do this manually change filament. You just control everything on the dashboard.
Yeah. Sure, we have a stock in Europe. Okay, now it's time for our for gift time.
Yeah, gift time.
Yeah.
Right? So what is the first gift?
As we all know that we have made some question.
Yeah, we made
so
some question.
Now we will make some for the first question about our gift.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Here.
Yes, and people can see that.
What is the first question we have?
So which part of the main board does not affect this person?
Yeah. What the? Okay. So here comes our the film cover off. Oh, wait a minute. We just go here.
Okay, you can see that for our KLP1 is available for US and Europe.
Yeah, you can visit our online store and our official store, and you can go here to see the KLP1 page, and you can now order the print. It's now in available, stocking available.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go for the first winners.
Yes.
So and here's the first question. Where is the first question? Which speed sounds normal for a Klipper 3D printer in the market?
Yeah, now it's time for our gift for pricing, and we have made some three.
So, sorry, I got the wrong question. Which part of the mainboard does not affect print quality in high-speed printing via Klipper formula? Option A, Wi-Fi module, and option 2, MCU, option C, step motor driver, option D, data power module, and option E, eMMC module. So the correct option is a Wi-Fi module.
Yeah, and
That is A.
I also put all of your name in our comments. So, and you can see that there are all of your name in our text.
Yeah, it's all your names here.
So for this question, the correct answer is absolutely Wi-Fi. So it's
it's Wi-Fi here.
Yeah, and now we will make all of your name in our.
Yeah, we just put your names here inside this page.
Yes.
Yeah, we just put
and
your
we
names
will
here.
choose two people in here, and for these 2 people can win our 2 kilogram for PLA. And please know that it is dual color as not our common that.
Here is a PLA you are going to get.
Yes, and here is dual color silk PLA.
Yeah,
you can see that.
It means one PLA has 2 colors in just one PLA.
Yeah.
Or some have 3 colors. Okay. Oh no, just have 2 colors.
Yes, and we will choose 2 people.
Okay.
Randomly select 2 people in here, and you can get this. Just 2 people.
Yeah, let's go with 2 people.
Yes.
Now once we add the number here, the winners is going to be picked. Is going to out. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Yes, and you can see that who is the winner.
Yeah, here's the winner.
For the J's.
Okay.
Now for this.
Okay.
2 people.
Let's copy his name here. Add them to the.
Yes, Wi-Fi model.
Add them to the latest. Here is our winners.
Yeah, and for this you can win the 2 kilogram for our. Yeah, for these 2 people about Joe's robot.
Joe's robot.
And make 3D.
Okay.
Yeah, and you could connect us.
No, don't touch the screen.
Oh, okay.
Let's do the next.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the next.
Let's start the last start.
Okay, let's do the see something more about this printer.
Yes, and for the last question, we will answer you later. So now we will start it.
Okay. So I will. I will save the same winners list.
Yes.
And next we're going to show you more about this printer.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Okay.
And of course, if you would like to our donor colors, you can also visit our official website.
Okay, here. Just to show you some process about this printer.
Yeah.
Everything you got will be from this. So, let's talk about what you need to do when you get this printer first time. All you need to do is first to do the band leveling with the ABL sensor here, and after that you are going to do a input shaping test, and we will show you guys later. After that, you are going to test with with a pressure advance test. It will draw some lines here, and you will see the best settings you will see many lines here, and after that you can see numbers on each lines, and by that you can choose the best setting for the pressure advance. So in the KLP1 3D printer, you are going to do ink shaping, and you are going to do the auto bed leveling, and you are going to do the pressure advance just by one clicking, which is very easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's show you that later. Here we just finished the 3D bench in this printer.
Yeah. Oh, you can see that it is just finished that.
We just finished this. Yeah. It's not bad in 0.2 layer height. Oh, all right.
Yes.
Let's start to print. Okay. Since we come here, let me show you one thing. It prints. Yeah. Some of you guys must know. You know that. You know that? Well, notice this.
There are many of it.
Yeah. Some of you must notice this thing. If you guys have print with lifesaver, this is a saver test. It's a print test for the lifesaver. As you can see, it was printed in this printer, and it just not clicking. It's just not fused together. It's just divided. So, and here, of course, the larger one, without any questions, printed with 0.2 layer height on this machine.
Yes.
And you know what this means? That means that you are going to print a lightsaber.
Lightsaber.
Yeah, lightsaber. And normally you guys will facing a problem is having sabers connect fused together, and it's not going to extend. And as you can see, we had this lightsaber scaled down, and it's been more smaller than the normal lightsaber, about 75%. All right.
Yes.
Here is a normal. Here is a normal size of test print, and here is a 175% of test print. And the small one can be divided normally. You just take it off, and it's already there. As you can see, it's clean, and it has a seam sign here. Yeah, see, it's print from this side. Go on each layer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
And for the max print temperature is about 260.
Yeah, 260. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to let this print
work.
Start again.
Yeah, and we can test that what time for the bench.
Yeah, what time the bench, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And now we can start it.
So we will just go with this printer. Yeah, here you can see my hand.
Yeah, we made the camera in here.
Yeah, we will just print with this one, This 0.2 layer height is going to print with about half an hour. Alright, just
Yes.
let it print. Let's move ahead on this print.
Okay, so you can see that.
So we are going to show you how to do the first thing on this printer. And I think we're going to need a paper.
In the paper.
Okay, let me do let's get paper here. Let's use this paper.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to show you how to do the bed leveling on this printer. So here is this printer. You can see this clearly. Yeah. Okay. All we need to do is click this one. See offset. Click this one. Okay. It's now moving.
Now you can see.
Yeah, it's moving. And it's not going to parking at it's not going to park at the center of the street of the bed. All right.
Yeah, it can start.
Yeah,
Start it.
So it's standing. Okay. So it's measuring the. Okay. Now, and we just put the paper to this under the extruder.
Yeah.
And while when the extruder stopped, and we can see it's going to had a chart here, and all we need to do is to click minus or plus to lift or lower the extruder. So as you can see,
You change it.
the bed is lifting. Okay, it's about, okay, it's just touch that, and all right. Yeah. Yeah, we just adjust the paper and the distance manually. It's just going to test out the baseline of the offset. So all we need to do is just click with numbers. Okay. Okay, I think it's too much.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's enough. After that, we just click accept.
Accept.
Yeah, and here it's going to. Yeah, it's going to have. Yeah, here it shows here. After that, we are going to click here. The auto bed leveling. Click this one. Okay, it's going to do the bed leveling. It's going to measure the.
Yeah.
It's going to measure the heat bed. Yeah, it's about 36 points. Okay, let me hold it for a while.
Sure.
I think it's quite tired for holding this. Yeah, it's measuring. It's point by point. So it will save settings after the measurement is finished, and after that you can go to the next step, which is input shaping. Okay.
Yeah.
And here's this one is already printing with the benching. Okay. Do we have any comments?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, we may answer some comments. Maybe after the band leveling. Okay, so much to upgrade the ABS cable capable, including the chamber heating, which cost about $20. I think you guys can upgrade the printer to print with ABS. It has an enclosure, you see. So if you guys want to print with ABS, of course you are going to modify the printer, especially the cooling system. If you and also the heat break with the all metal one. The current heat break is for printing with PLA and some other normal materials like PETG or TPU.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, up to water precision. Yeah, exactly. And you can see what shows on my screen is 0.005, right? That's how sensitive this sensor is. Yeah. I'm seeing the HDMI. I've seen an HDMI port on the main board, on the motherboard. It means can we use a HDMI print on it? Sure. Maybe you can go with a touchable HDMI screen. You can use the click screen feature. You can do everything on the screen, of course. And why would you need to modify the print if it's super out of the box? Sure. I mean, of course, if you are not going to print with ABS, you're not going to modify anything. It's already built and designed for printing with PLA. Yeah. Of course, if you are going to, as you know, printing with ABS is much different from printing with PLA or PETG or some other materials, because the ABS is going to be shrink much easier to shrink, so it's going to be wrap, especially when the air is flowing. So you need to print everything. you need to close everything, and you are going to need something to get the air out, or the air is going to be poisoning. It's not good for your health. How do you replace nozzles? Is the same V5 hot end? No, it's not a V5 hot end. All you need to do is just get it out and replace it. You can. Okay, we're going to make tutorials on that. Actually, you are going to open this printhead, then you are going to heat up the nozzle, and you are going to hold the heat block, and of course use some tools, and you just use a wrench to move the current nozzle, and you can replace it with a new one.
Okay.
Yeah. Do we have any questions? Is a flexible heat block then a fixed heat block? What that? Fixed heat block then? With what? Is flex? What that mean? Fixed heat block then? Yeah, I think it's quite fixed. Actually, everything in this extruder is quick swappable, and you can just replace everything just in minutes. We are going to show you this thing later in our tutorials. It's not so much complicated. Okay. And do we go next round or do some comments replying?
Oh, sure. Okay.
Okay, we just do some comments replying.
Okay.
Let's put our phone here, and we are going to answer some questions. We see you guys have many questions about the sprint. Let's answer that. So, this sprint is just to finish the automatic leveling process.
Okay. Also, we have some question about.
Okay, we have some questions about this printer. The print work area of the price in the work area. It's about 379. And it's for US and the Europe. Okay.
Yeah.
And the price and the release date in Europe. It is available for. Okay, sorry. Let's go on the screen. Okay, what is the price and the release date in the Europe? It is available for Europe, and you can place order right now. Yeah, it is in stock. Yeah, and which size is print bag? Is 220 or 300? It's actually 210 and 210 for print one. And what huge size we have? Okay, it's just one size, and this size is 210 and 210. Does it have Wi-Fi? Yeah. Here is another thing I want to show you guys. You are going to have three things here. With the KLP1, you are going to get a Wi-Fi adapter, like this one. This Wi-Fi adapter. Just put it on your printer, and you are going to connect it with Wi-Fi. And of course,
this said the voice is too low.
Voice is too slow.
Oh yeah.
Voice, can you hear our voice?
Hello everyone. Can hear that?
Sorry, we just adjust that. I think it's okay right now.
Hi. Can you hear us?
Okay, I think it's okay. The Wi-Fi adapter. Yeah, it's going to be a Wi-Fi adapter in your package, and all you need to do is just connect it with your printer, and you're and follow the process on your user manual to modify the Wi-Fi inside the printer, and you are going to connect it with Wi-Fi. Here is the first thing. Yeah, and another thing here is a adapter for the eMMC chip. Yeah, all you need to do is connect it with your eMMC in this way, and then after that, just connect it with a card reader, use a USB reader, and just put it inside the USB reader, and you can flash the system image with this thing. And of course, the eMMC chip is already on your main board. Normally, you are not going to mess up with the system image, because everything you need is on the system image. We have everything pre-installed and preset on the system image, like input shaping or some micros, and of course everything about Klipper. We have that on the system image. So you are not going to do anything with the Klipper, like upgrading the Klipper versions or some other versions. And all you need to do is use the current images, unless some issues happening with the current one.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we're going to answer the next questions. It's all metal. Yeah, I think here is half metal and half is glass plate. It's actually not a glass plate, and it's use some environmental materials. And vegetables in 50 minutes. Actually, we're going to. It's decided by it depends on the layout you are using. Actually, we print with 0.2 layout about 30 minutes, and of course it's not in the best settings we're printing. I think you guys are going to print with best qualities and the best settings and with best speed. After we do some operations with our settings, I think. And what type of films are supported?
Hello friend. They said that our voice is too slow, so I can make this camera too near of you.
Yeah, let me check that.
Yeah.
Let me check that. We do not have a good voice. Maybe. Oh yeah, I think I find the question. I find the problem.
Hello everyone.
So
can
you guys
hear
should
that?
hear our voice right now.
Can you hear our voice now?
So you can hear our voice. Okay, I think they can hear. We just have that bad connection on the microphone.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Oh, now it's fine.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank.
Okay. How about we doing the next step on this printer?
Okay. I think that we can start the second round of the prize.
Second round of the prize.
For the second question about it.
Okay, let's do the second prize.
Yes.
Let's go here. Just move the camera. After that, we are going to show you guys the input shaping on the KLP1. It's quite easy for the KLP1 to do input shaping settings. Hold it.
Yeah. Okay.
Alrighty. Okay, here is the second one.
Now it's about for the second question about it.
The second question. Second question.
Yes.
Which second question here? Yeah, which speed sounds normal for Eclipse 3D printer in the market? Yeah, I think this question is much stranger for most of you. Actually, the answer is as fast as an ant.
Yes, and I saw that most of the answers, the people will choose the number A as fast as the flash.
Yeah, actually, this answer was generated by the ChatGPT. The speed I put inside the ChatGPT is 350. It's 350. So when when I ask what speed it's most like in the nature, and it's as fast as an ant. So
yes, so the correct
option
answer
C
is about
the
C.
correct answer.
Yeah, and
Okay.
there are less people to correct it.
Yeah, let's do the.
So let's
round.
choose that.
We just have few people.
You
here.
can say that there is a few people
We
answer
just have
that.
few people here. Let's do here.
Yeah, let's do it.
We just click
So
here.
for this prices, it's about also it's a 2 kilogram of PLA.
Yeah, the PLA.
It's a dual colors.
Yeah, you can see here.
You can see that.
No, here. Here, this one. You are going to get
It's
the
dual color.
dual color.
Yeah, it's
PLA
also about
filament.
2 kilogram.
Yeah, and the two people are going to win this. And here, let's pick them up.
Now let's click it. You can see that here are few people answer the right person.
As long as I put a number here, and your names is going to select it here.
Yes.
Okay. Here.
So 2 people. Let's.
Why here is just 1 people?
You can make it again.
Okay. I see why now. Okay.
About this, congratulations for the Sean Glover.
Okay.
Yes.
No need.
It's a Vitaly. Congratulations.
Congratulations here. Okay, let's just put
Yeah,
their
you can
name.
see that for this name.
We just save their names here.
Yeah, you want that.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Yeah.
just put here.
So we also will make the right land winner.
Winners.
Yes, about it. Vitaly and Sean Global.
Okay. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah, please come take us
Okay.
for the prize. Okay.
So now let's
next round
continue.
We just show the ink shaping on this printer on the KLP1.
Yes, and also many people also will introduce for the mainboard.
What?
Many people also are interested for our mainboard.
Mainboard. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I will show you that later.
Later.
Later. Yeah.
Okay.
So here is a printer. Yeah, you can see my hand here. Yeah. Okay, we just one click with here the input shaper here.
Oh, shaper.
The input shaper. Just click this one. Yeah, it's going to shake crazy, like crazy.
Okay. Oh, let's show.
That's all you need to do. Yeah.
You can see that.
So I will hold that. Yeah, and you can see here with the console. Yeah, it's from.
Yeah, you can see that.
The hertz is increasing. It's going to increase to the 100 hertz. Okay, just see. It's now testing with x-axis. And since this printer is a Core XY 3D printer, so it's going to calculate the input shaping quite accurate. See?
You can see that.
It's just shaking crazy.
And now
It's shaking crazy.
my name was in the winners list, and you could have Jerry and that person the same way.
So,
We have put all of your name in our list.
so it's now still increasing.
Yeah, you can hear that.
You should put it close, more close. So the fan is spinning.
Yeah, you
It's
can
really
see.
crazy, and the print head is shaking crazily. So it's going to test with another axis. All right, it's start.
You can see.
You can see it's it's moving back and forth because of the shaking. And you can see this window. This is tall.
Yeah.
And you can see here it's shaking. It's also going to be increased to 100 hertz.
Oh.
Yeah, it's going to be 100 hertz. Don't worry. It's going to be fine. It's going to be 100 hertz.
100 hertz.
Yeah. It's crazy. And when it's going to, when it's go up to high frequency, it's almost seem like not moving at all, but it's actually shaking, and you can hear sound. I just put it closely.
Sure, we also will post all the winners after finish the live show.
Yeah, live streaming.
Yes. Can you show us the bell? The bell's turns.
The bell tension. Okay, later.
The later
So
about it.
here is now calculating itself. it's measuring the finished. The measuring is finished, and it's now saves the settings automatically. Yeah. So this process is going to make your 3D print. Is going to make your prints with high qualities. So don't forget this process. And of course, follow the user manual to every steps. Okay.
How hot does the nozzle get?
How hot does the nozzle get? It's 260.
Yeah. Yes. 260.
Okay. So we finish the illustration here.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay. Let me show you the belt tension. It does have the belt tension, but it does require some skills to adjust them. See? You have belt tension here. Just adjust these two units. Yeah, this place here. Just adjust these two places, and you're going to adjust the tension of the belt. See? Here, it's actually quite solid. And here is a new motor. See? It's different motors from it is on KP3S or KP3 Pro, KP3S Pro, and yeah. So here, the belt tension adjust kit. Okay.
Yeah.
So since we were asking about the main board, this print actually has two main board. This is micro main board, only two head, and this is about this position. So we are going to show you what inside this print, inside is included later in our tutorials, and this main board has a acceleration sensor included, so it can be so you can test the input shaping just by a few clickings, and you can just get every settings automatically. And since KLP1 is a core XY structure, you are going to test the input shaping much more accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this board, I think this board is processing everything like temperature and accelerations and many other datas, and it transfers datas and transfer datas to the main board, and it has communications with the main board and control everything, and it makes your 3D print, high speed printing much stable and much stable and much faster and much high quality.
Yes.
And another main board here is this one. This one is based on the skip mainboard by MKS, which is designed for the war-on models, and we redesigned it, and we redesigned the skip mainboard and make it for our KP3 Pro V2 and the KP3 and the KLP1.
Yeah.
Sorry, and they have the same mainboards like this one. So it has a HDMI port, so you can connect your print with a touchable HDMI screen, with clips and can show you a 3D printer with the clip spring feature. And here you can use SD card for the extension for external storage. And here is a Type-C port, and here has 3 USB ports, and here this port is USB 3.0. And of course, a Ethernet cable, Ethernet port here. You can use this port with a much stable Internet connection. All right, and of course, this is a canvas cable. This port is for the canvas cable. So it's connecting with the extruder, and the extruder it connects with this main board here. So these 2 main board connects with the canvas cable, and the cable transfer data and many other things, and they communicate with each other and they control everything on Klipper.
Yeah. Okay.
And of course you will see some MCU you are quite familiar with, and of course here you are going to have a eMMC chip here, and it has a system image inside. All right. That's the main board itself. It's a powerful main board.
Okay.
Okay. And let's talk about the.
Oh, okay. Oh.
So we just finished another bench here. Say point to layer height. Yeah, it's not bad.
Within 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's about 20 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes, I think. So we can do.
Maybe we do 20 minutes.
Yeah, we can do 20 minutes, of
Yes.
course. We're still adjusting the settings for higher speed.
Yes.
Yeah, so
We do many.
it's finished.
Okay, it's finished.
Yeah, it's finished. And let's move on. When you get this printed, you are going to have a Wi-Fi adapter, and where do I put the Wi-Fi adapter? Yeah, here I want to mention that link again. Okay. Drivers wheeled but he think is missing. The extruded drivers may not to the TMC. What that mean? He think is missing.
No voice again.
Extrude.
Hi. Hello?
Do you have a voice?
Can you hear that? Huh?
Do you have voice? I think can Klipper be updated? Of course, you're not going to update the Klipper if you are not familiar with Klipper, and we are going to update images to add more features in your printer.
When you stand near the camera, it's okay. It's added voice.
Yeah. Can you hear his voice? We can't hear.
Hi.
Sorry, we're going to do some adjustment.
Okay. Hi, good evening, good morning.
Can you hear?
Can you hear that? Hello? Oh, voice is okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
What else?
Why the large size fan like a K1 and bamboo? Since this targets PLA fast printing. So we're going to think about that. And let's continue with a formal question. Can Klipper be updated? How? Normally, yeah.
My voice is fine, but your voice is crap.
My voice is not right.
Yeah, maybe we can change.
Okay,
We can change it a lot.
No,
Please have a wait.
I will check that.
Yes.
I'll check this.
I will check it with my partner.
No, just change.
It's okay? Can print. We sometimes print PLA, TPU. Maybe it's okay.
Okay, can you hear me?
Hello. Can I hear about my partners? It's okay. Voice is okay.
Do we? Are we good on our voice? Sorry. There's some issues.
No, it's okay. She said no, it's okay.
Okay. Both voice is okay?
The same. Says before.
Okay.
Maybe we can change about it. We can change one. Your voice is also not good.
Can we?
What choice did you make for power supply?
What?
What choice did you make for the power supply?
What choice did you make for the power supply? It's built-in power supply. As you can see, it has no power supply extend outside. It's built-in power supply in this place. About in this place.
Yeah.
And do we have
The
another
voice
question?
is okay. Okay. Oh, I think that we can meanwhile power supply. Yeah.
Yeah, meanwhile power supply. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think that we are going to make the third round of the prize
Third round
game.
of prize.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. And we also have the number 3 questions about it. Have you tested any Wi-Fi? Yes.
Yeah, we just.
Oh, we can got 3.
The number round 3.
Yeah, number 3.
Round 3 is what is the question?
Wait. Let people see that.
Yeah, let's see. Which one is most unlikely can be used for the screen of a 3D printer that uses Klipper firmware? Option 1, computer of the college classroom. B, Apple Watch. Option C, control panel of a Tesla Model Y. D, an old TV in my garage. E, Nokia Lumia 920. F, a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, actually, the correct answer is an old TV in my garage.
Yes.
Option D is correct answer.
Yeah. So the old TV in my garage is the
It's the correct answer.
Correct answer, yeah.
The reason is other options can be connected with the internet, except this old TV. So
Yes.
old TV cannot be is most unlikely to be the screen for a 3D printer. Use clip formula.
Yeah, and I saw that many people choose the B, Apple Watch.
Yeah, the Apple Watch.
But it is also can connect it.
Yeah, it's also with Wi-Fi connection.
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, you can do something with the Apple Watch.
Yes.
You can control that with apps on the Apple Watch, and you can control your Klipper formula. You can control your Klipper 3D printer. So let's do the.
So for this part, there are also two people in.
Yeah.
Two people are the lucky one, and
Okay,
we also have a win about 2 kilograms for PLA.
Yeah.
And also it for dual colors about it.
This thing.
Yeah.
Color.
And I also put all of your answer the D, the right answer D. You can see that here is many of your name.
Here is your list, and I see quite a lot of people is answering the correct answer. Yeah.
Sure. Now let's copy all of this in our winners. We can pick a winner.
Yeah, you just remove the count. And here we just put the name
Just
here.
cover it. Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah.
And we can choose 2 people.
Okay, 2 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for 1 people, you can got 2 kilograms.
These 2 people.
Yes, 2 people. So let's see that who is the lucky. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's just copy that. Copy the winner's name here.
The folks.
All right.
What this name?
Okay, you don't have to pronounce it.
Okay.
Okay, we just saved the winner's name
This one.
in our list.
This one is mine.
The correct answer is D.
Yeah, the correct answer is D.
It's D. In OLED TV.
So let's congratulations for these 2 people.
And OLED TV is not going to is most unlikely to connect with the internet. That's why it's not going to be an answer for your screen for your Klipper 3D printer. And I think we forgot to explain the first question. Yes, the first question is the answer is Wi-Fi module. And the reason is the internet connection does not affect the print quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do the Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi connection to access the internet and control your Klipper 3D printers.
Yeah, congratulations. As people can also, we have a big surprise in the last. So you also let's stay tuned. You also can look forward about it.
Yeah, we have another surprise for all you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, we just saved this name of this.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we have we just saved some time for the for answer comments and questions.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's just put the camera in front of us.
Sure. Okay.
And we save time for all you guys.
And okay, if there anybody have questions about, you could make your answers on the comment. We will answer you that.
So here is the comments time.
Yeah.
If you have any comments and any questions or need any helps, please leave comments down below. Okay. And meanwhile, meanwhile, you can do the, you can visit our online, you can visit our website, and the KLP1 is already in stock in the US and the Europe, and you can order it now, and you can get the print in a few days, like 3 to 5 working days.
Yes. Any place on release or version that can print ABS?
What? ABS?
Yeah.
Sorry, I go see here. Yeah. Any plan on releasing a version that can print ABS? As I said, a printing with ABS, you're going to upgrade the heat break with a all metal one, and we're going to release that soon, maybe later. Yeah, when you guys already have that printer, and if you guys want that, we're going to release that, and you can use that to print ABS, and of course, thanks to the enclosure, and you can print with a stable temperature inside this box. And of course, actually ABS is printable right now. And the heat gap is going to be can up to 100 degrees, and the extruder can go up. The nozzle can go up to 260 degrees. So that's fair enough for ABS printing. And I think you guys want to do some air conditioning. Want to do some. I think you want to add some things about here or somewhere else to drain the air inside the printer and to keep yourself healthy.
Okay.
Because ABS is going to have the toxic air or poisoning for your health. Okay, do we have any questions?
Yes.
Can you heat up the chamber to dry filament? Chamber? No, we are not. We don't have a chamber like a bamboo. Yeah. We just have a film rack behind the printer, so it's actually not going to heat up the filament. The audio is not heard, right? Can you?
Maybe, can you hear it? Maybe. You can hear out bend and close doors to dry.
You can heat up it or you can heat hot bed and close the door or filmed. Yeah, I think that's it. That's a way. Yeah, you just almost that you can put the films inside the box and heat up the bed, and you can warm your films. I think that's a smart way. Yeah, of course you can do that. You can. I think it's a VAT. Is VAT included in all of Europe, not just Europe countries? Yeah, so VAT is included in all of the Europe. We already paid that. We already paid the VAT. You don't have to pay that. The price you see in our the price you see for the Europe products you are is already has VAT included.
If the
Okay.
target.
Can you
If the target material.
is a target material is PLA. Why aren't there side panels? Yeah, it's. I think it's for. It's prepared for something else. I think if you want to print with some other materials. See, if you want to print with ABS, you just go to store and print it. Of course, you're going to need to modify the heat break. And it's called XY. It's a core XY extra. It's a core XY structure. If no left or right panel, it's going to be strange, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And it's different from the KP3 X Pro V2. And here is what you are going to get it from out of the box. All you need to do is to install this one and just get print out and use. You don't have to assemble this. You just take it out of the box and use it directly. Do we have any questions? I'm in Norway, in Europe, but not a part EU. I think we also
have a thin wheel house.
Yeah,
so
we have wheels you can get from that. You can, if you are in Norway, you can get a KLP1 from Europe. Yeah, you just choose the Europe option and you will get one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a problem.
Will you release?
Yeah, when you release one with a bigger volume of thing in the future, sure, I think it's going to be. But right now, I think right now it's enough for the core XY extra and for the core XY structure. Yeah, it's going to be. I think it's going to be affordable for everyone in this size and in these settings. I think, like a Klipper mainboard inside, with a micro mainboard in the tool head, and a Wi-Fi connection, and a Wi-Fi adapter, and anything else for Klipper. And of course, we have everything included in the system images, which makes everyone can use this printer directly, and then you don't have to know much things about Klipper or 3D printing. You can just you can just do some clicks in the printing like like a pro. Yeah.
Yeah, is there internal port to
What?
connect a LED bulb?
What? Is it in? Yeah, of course. So you can decorate your 3D printer with a LED bar and with extensional ports. Yeah, that's a great option. We are going to make tutorials with that.
Yes.
And if you guys want that, we will provide you some. We'll provide you with some LED bars and same tutorials. I think it's good options, and yeah. And the core XY structure is much stable than the normal structures. And then you see it's much easier for you mounting you're mounting and cameras to take some time-lapse videos and monitoring your printing like that, like this.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
Okay.
Please remove the cover so we can see under. Okay, we're going to remove the cover in our tutorials because we're going to take some screws to remove that.
Yes.
What is a hot and max? What is a hot and what is what? Sorry. It's max temperature. It's not max temperature. Max performance. I'm sorry. Is it extruded? Is extruded the same as a KP? No, it's different. The KP3S Pro V2 and the KP3S KP3S Pro V2 and the KLP1 is having a different extruders.
Yes, and we also have our website information. You also could reference about it.
You can see details inside our pages on our website.
Yes, and it is a stock for US and for EU, Europe country. And if you are interested in, you can place an order. Maybe this time is less stock, so when you have interested, you can place that. Okay, Frank, I think that it's time for going to forward the third round of the prize. Yes, since it has some people have defeat the maze and make the puzzle.
Yeah, so, you solve the maze and the puzzle, right?
Yes, and many people got the right answer.
Correct answer. Okay.
Now let's make announce the lucky people.
Yeah.
And on our winners list.
Okay, see here.
Yeah.
Let's do that here. So it's
for the maze.
For the maze.
Yeah.
Maze, okay.
Also for the maze, most of people have restore our.
We have quite a lot of people. We solve the maze, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How many we are going to get?
And
then we are going to get 3 winners.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So 3 winners.
Just one by one?
Yeah, one by one.
One by one, okay.
So the first winner will win our 5 kilometer of PLA. It's also the dual colors.
Remove this.
Okay.
And so this. Right?
Yes.
They're going to win this with these gel color silk PLA films.
Sure. Also, so we can publish one by one.
Yeah, we choose we get winners one by one. Okay.
Yeah. And the first winner can get 5 kilogram.
Okay.
Of dual color PLA.
5 kilogram. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's pick it up.
Just one people.
Okay.
So let's do that. Who is the luckiest people?
5 kilogram. 5 kilogram. Okay.
Yeah, 5 kilogram.
5 kilogram here. Save his name here.
Yeah, let's
Please.
show that winner's name.
Sorry, I.
Five kilogram.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see. Congratulations for this person.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah, and for the last one, you will get 3 kilogram of dual color PLA.
Okay.
Yeah,
next
just
one.
also one people.
Another one.
Let's
This one.
about luck.
Okay.
Luck 22.
Look. I think his name is. Sorry.
Okay.
We are going to add your name here.
It's about
3
kilogram of
Okay.
dual color.
Okay, next one is also a.
Okay, the last one is about 2 kilogram. About 1 kilogram,
1 kilogram.
of
Okay.
dual color.
Let's pick it here.
Yeah, let's
Pick it up.
take it.
Okay.
Congratulations, it's about
This one.
Alfredo. You can see that.
Yeah.
Congratulations for this person.
1 kilogram, right?
Yeah, 1 kilogram
1 kilogram.
of dual color.
Okay.
Yeah, also if people are interested with our dual colors, you can place in order in our official website.
Yeah. Okay.
And congratulations for this person.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
do we go?
And the puzzle.
A puzzle. Okay.
Yeah. Also, there are many people can solve the puzzle of our games.
Yeah.
We also have 3 people can get our prize.
So let's just remove the.
Yes. And we also
the
have
amount
one by
here
one
and copy.
all of your name in our.
Copy your names here.
Have you seen that? All of your name in our winner
Okay.
list.
Already here.
Now,
Okay.
just
and,
one people.
First one.
Yeah, first one can get 5 kilogram of dual colors.
5 kilogram.
I can see.
18.
Lilo green,
Okay.
Leland green.
Leonard.
Congratulations for this person.
Yeah. Let's see.
And also you can contact our official website, and we also will make a post.
5 kilogram.
Yeah. And the second one is about 3
kilogram.
yes kilogram of dual colors
Dual
of
color
PLA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second one.
It's about
This one.
tin for this
Okay.
person. Congratulations.
So 3 kilogram.
Yeah, 3 kilogram of
3 kilogram.
of dual colors PLA.
Okay, third
Yeah,
one.
and third one is about 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1.
Congratulations for this person.
Okay.
Yeah,
1
all of you
kilogram.
can contact us.
Please contact us for the prizes.
Sure.
1 kilogram.
Of dual color.
Okay. And let me show you the prize you're
Yeah,
winning.
and you can see that.
Again.
You can.
Yeah. It's quite great colors for printing magical objects. It's going to have 2 colors in one object. It just turns the object and have different colors. Yeah.
Yes, and also if you are interested with our filament, you also can place an order in our official website.
Yeah. It's in stock.
Okay, and people also can wait that we also will have a big surprise in the end.
Yeah, we have a big surprise in the end. Do we get it now?
Maybe we'll later.
Later?
Yes, we will get the last winners about 55
55.
Yes.
Yeah, 55.
11:55 we will
11:55.
announce the biggest winner.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, and you will got our surprising
Yeah,
gift.
we have some time left for the comments and questions.
Yes, and if you have any
questions, please leave the comments down below, and we're going to answer that. And
sure.
yeah, and our live streaming is about to end in the, yes, I think it's 12 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
It's about in a few minutes later. Yeah. If you have any questions.
Yes, welcome and congratulations. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to get a print like this, the KLP1 out of box, and just assemble with a stool to lift it and use the printer directly. And we have everything inside the system image, and no matter you a pro or in starters, you can use Klipper without any problems. And we have everything, like macros, we have everything in the tutorials. So if you get this printer, of course the KP3S Pro V2, please do remember to check the user manuals and follow the step by step, and follow the process, and you are going to print with Klipper folder without any questions. Yeah.
Yes, and for the top, what's about material on the top of our KLP1?
What do you mean this?
On the top.
This?
Yes, what material or
This material?
This, yeah.
Actually, it's something like a glass, but not a glass.
Acrylic.
Right. I don't know how to say that, but it's not. It's quite. I think it's quite light, but not a glass.
Yeah.
It's usually for some models with the design like this.
Yes, sure. Yes, we sell about Europe and USA, and you place an order, we can within shipping about 20 hours.
Yeah, you can get this printer as fast as you can think, right? It's already in stock, and you can get it right now, and it will ship from local warehouse and ship from now.
Yes.
Yeah, and we have every printer with a detailed user manuals, and of course we're going to release tutorials for the recent models like KP3 Pro V2 and KLP1. Yeah.
Acrylic. This one.
Yeah, right. Acrylic. Oh, yeah, right. You're right.
Yeah.
We just forgot how to pronounce that. Sorry. And are we able to add the Klipper config? No. Not recommend to, unless you are pro on Klipper. Actually, if you edit the Klipper, if you edit that print config, you are going to mess up with the print. You may have problems with the printer, or you may cause the printer damage. So if you are not Klipper pros, you please just do as user manual shows, one step by one step. And I will show you guys how to modify things in the system images. And like myself, I prefer the main cell for the system image, but it's using the fully for system UI. I'm not quite a fan of that. I will show you guys how to modify the system image later in our tutorials.
Is Wi-Fi out of the box?
Yeah, you are going to get a Wi-Fi adapter in this model. There's this one, a Wi-Fi adapter. Just put this Wi-Fi adapter to your printer. Yeah. And I will show you. I will let you know more details of how to modify the internal Wi-Fi information. You just put that. You just modify you just modify one file and add your Wi-Fi information. Then save file and put it in a USB driver and put it on your printer and turn the printer on and reboot the printer. So Wi-Fi information will be saved inside the printer. And after rebooting, you are going to connect this printer with your own Wi-Fi information.
What's the weather at your location right now?
What is weather at your location right now?
It is
we
about 20.
we got
25.
25 degrees.
Yeah.
Mostly Sunday.
Yes. And also, if some people like, we also have a Chinese warehouse.
Yeah, we have Chinese warehouse for many places. Yeah.
In summertime. Yeah.
Yeah, we're now in summer, and we have air conditioning here right now. Yeah. And if you guys want this print files, we're going to send you this print file. But we not recommend to print it with lightsaber. Yeah, you want to print it slowly, not so fast like this. It's just showing you how precise this print can be, and the Klipper Printer can be. And just print something like this without any fuse. Yeah, I think you guys cannot. Some of you guys cannot print it even in a normal 3D printer in normal mode, right? But in the KLP1, it's quite easy. If you guys want this file, I will share that with you guys. And one more time, show you guys about the print mainboard and the microboard. Yeah, this mainboard inside the KLP1 and the KP3S Pro V2, and of course the microboard with a ADXL345 acceleration sensor. Yeah, in this mainboard. Yeah, this mainboard is in the two head. Yeah.
Yes.
And both models have 5:1 gear ratio, and you don't need to load the film manually. You just put the film in and let the print extrude it and then retract. Of course, we're going to show you tutorials about every step in the print for the printing use. Yeah. Is there if the external Wi-Fi module is lost, does a module from another brand work? Yeah, just to choose a Wi-Fi adapter with a USB drive free, which means a Wi-Fi adapter without any USB driver to install. You just put it on and use, and just choose that kind of Wi-Fi adapter.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also now it's available in US and Europe country, and we also have a Chinese warehouse.
Yeah, we have a Chinese warehouse.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's time. Okay,
Yeah,
it's time for the grand prize. Yeah, And if you guys have more questions or comments, please, or any ideas, please send us an email to the shop at shop@kingroon.com, and we are going to reply you guys as fast as we can. All right. Yeah.
That's the input shaper already free.
Yeah. You will have the input shaper already pre-tuned. Actually, you may to have a better print quality, we suggest you to do every step of the user manual, just step by step, and follow the instructions on the user manual, and you are going to print with great quality in Klipper.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the hot or metal.
Yeah. First, the auto-bed leveling, and the next the input shaping, and the third with brush advance. After that, after 3 process, you are going to print with great quality. All right.
Yes.
Yes, I think.
How much? How it is? It is $379. Yeah, and you can see our the comments. There is a link for our the product. The
product link
KLP1.
is already in the description and the comments.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go get our grand prize, right?
Yes. And now it's time for the last round of the prize.
Yeah, I think it's a great, a biggest surprise.
Yes, and I have put all of your lists in the winners list, and the last product, the last prizes you will win the machine, and you will know you will got the KP3 S1.
Yeah. Hope to win the
S1. Now it's time for
yeah, we here have the last list.
Yes, you can copy all of the name in the pick a winner.
Yeah, we just
and you will got the machine about KP3S Pro S1.
Yeah, just one winner here.
Yeah, just one winner.
Yeah, we just copy this.
Hope that you will got it.
Yeah.
Hi,
and here. All right.
Yeah.
Now everyone is inside.
Everyone is inside.
Yeah. See here. Oh, as long as I put the number here.
Just one people.
The name
you will
is going
get.
to here.
How do we get the list?
Yeah.
I have put all of your name in
all the name
comments
is inside
that
the
you lived, that you left.
Okay, here.
So now let's.
I think we have our winner here.
Who got?
Here is the winner.
Who got the machine?
Yeah, here's the winner.
Now,
let's put her name here.
Congratulations for this winner.
Yeah. Let's put her name here. Put his name.
You will got our KP3S S1 Pro S1.
You will get the S1 model.
Yes, Oliver. Yes, all of your name in the list.
Yeah.
And I have put all of your name you
see here.
You left in our comments. Congratulations for this person.
KP3S Pro.
You will got KP3S
Pro S1.
Yes,
the
machine.
S1 model.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Maybe you should a little bit more about this printer here.
And thank you for your watching and
here.
Yes.
Here is going to be the films for our winners. Who wins the films? This is going to be a prize. And here is KP3.
Here is the
KLP1.
Yeah.
It's a Core XY 3D printer, and you can see more details in this page, and you can order and it guides you from, if you guys from the US and the Europe, and you can get this, you can order it right now. And if you from some other, if you from the other countries or regions, you can order from our Chinese warehouse.
Yes.
Yeah, and here is some details about this printer. Yeah.
You can see that.
Yeah, this is the detail inside, the internal details you asking about. In a fan from here, and the fan from here, the fan duct, and the heat sink, and the heat brake, and the heat block, and yeah, and the leveling sensor with high accuracy and sensitive, yeah, and the 4:1 gear ratio. Yeah,
and now it's available for US and the Europe country. Also can available as Chinese warehouse.
Yeah.
And now it is a stock, and when you place an order, we can arrange a shipment within 24 hours.
Yeah, it has many more features in the KLP1 model. Yeah, like this, the film sensor and the film rack, and of course the Core XY structure and the enclosure. All right.
Sure. Okay.
I think it's enough for today.
Yes, it's enough.
For more details and tutorials, we are going to release later. And if you have any questions or need any help, please send us emails, right?
Yes, and if you have any questions, you can email us.
Yeah, you can email us.
And thank you for your watching.
We will reply to your emails as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for your
Now it's time.
It's time to end this live streaming now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
And have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.